If you're struggling with getting subscribers, trust me, this video is going to help you. If you've been creating long form content, live streams, and you have gotten watch hours, but getting subscribers seems to be like a bit of a hassle, please go ahead and watch this video to the end so that you get the value for which this video was created. Hi, I'm Ali Virtue, and I am that creator who gets to help other small creators to navigate around YouTube by sharing my own experiences about how I'm getting on YouTube. If this sounds like something that you need, then please stay to the end of this video, because at the end of the video, there's an important information that I also believe that you will need. Let's just get right into the video. Over to YouTube, pick the particular channel that you want to use, just in case you have more than two channels or one channel. So you pick the particular one you want to use for this, right? So where you have the plus icon, you click there and then go to shorts, swipe over to shorts, and then open it in shorts, right? So you have it looking like this. If this camera is facing me, you get to see my face. All right. So the next thing I want to do, see this icon showing up here. I want to click on that icon. It's going to give you a new interface. Now this is what the interface looks like. There are different templates that you can click on to get inspiration, right? Now up here you see create video, you see photos to video, you see create music. I want us to use photo to video, right? I want us to use photo to video. I'll click on photo to video and then allow it to open up. Now I have different photos here. Let me just look for one and use. Let me look for one of my fine girl pictures. Okay, let me use this one. And allow AI. This is an AI feature, right? So it's going to analyze the photo and make it a video. It might even, put in words something I'm saying, right? So let's now. It has given me prompts, like suggested prompts. I can just choose any of these suggestions that has been given to me, right? Or I'll go ahead and put in a prompt. So you can go to ChatGPT and tell Chat to give you a prompt that you can use. Gemini or any other one to give you a prompt that you can use. But I'm not picking any of those options. I'm just going to pick one from these ones, right? That is on the screen. Let me pick this one that says, everything looks amazing in the afternoon light. A woman says, check out the school earrings. Let me pick this one and see what it says. I'm going to now click on the send arrow and allow it to process. It's going to take some time for it to process. If you're watching this and you have not hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because you are going to be getting value every time you come on this channel. So go ahead and support us by clicking on the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this to other, and they can also get help. You want to be in the monetization program before February 27, 2027. All right, so it's done processing, and this is what I
Check
have.
out these cool new earrings. I just got them today, and I think they really add a fun touch to my outfit. What do you think?
Right? Even though the face doesn't really, when it's animated, like doesn't really look like me, it's obviously AI, right? It's obvious that it's AI. But this is for the purpose of this tutorial. I might allow this to run for a while. Then when I'm done, I'm still going to unlist it. I'm no longer looking for 1,000 subscribers, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and um put in some text. I'm going to click on the text icon and put in, do you love the earrings? Do you love the earrings? Go ahead and put in any text of your choice, right? The volume is okay. So I'm just going to go for somewhere, maybe somewhere up here, and place that. All right, that's all I'm going to be doing here. If I want to add a sticker, I could add a sticker, but I don't want to do any of those, right? I'm just going to leave the picture the way it is, and then I'm going to click on next. When I click on this, it's going to bring me to this interface where I can enter my details, my title, and choose a thumbnail, and basically just make this thing to run. So I'm going to click here where I have caption. I put in beautiful soul, right? I'm not putting anything. It's not. This is just for the sake of this tutorial. Beautiful soul, right? I can also come back and edit this later. Then I leave it on unlisted. When I'm done doing all of my, when I finally make it go live, when it has processed, and I'm sure I don't have any copyright on it, I can come back and make it public. So let me pick one of the videos, right? I'll just pick, let me pick this one, using monetization. Now, this particular related videos, before I forget, this particular video can actually help you get watch ads from your subscribers from your shorts. We know that shorts does not the watch ads from short does not count for monetization. Just in case you don't know, it doesn't count for monetization, right? For you to get genuine watch ads that we count for monetization from shorts, this is what you're supposed to do. For every time you're posting a short, always ensure to put a related video to that short, right? I have added mine already. Just click on the related video part, pick a particular video and allow and add it in, right? Then I'm going to come to paid promotion. This is on the paid promotion. I'm going to click that off as no. AI, this is obviously AI. So I'm going to toggle down the AI caption, right? And if I want to put in descriptions, I can just go in and put in some descriptions because I want YouTube to understand who this video is made for or what this video is about, right? I'll put in description and then I'm going to just click on upload. This is it. This is it. This is all you need to do. When it's done analyzing and I'm certain that I don't have any copyright on it, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to turn it to public. Now, if you scroll through, you still have been using this. I use this and then I was able to get some subscribers. This particular one gave me 2.4, this other one gave me 12K, this other one gave me 1.8. I have just been experimenting with this. And before I go on to apply for monetization, yes, I've been invited. Before I go on to apply for monetization, I'll still go ahead to unlist them. Right, I'm not deleting them from my phone, from my YouTube. I'll just go ahead and unlist them because they are not the main focus of my channel. I only use them to get um what's it called, subscribers for the channel. And maybe after a very long time on YouTube, I can decide to delete them if I really want to, right? So I can just delete them. I've been using them to get subscribers, and it helps me to get my subscribers faster. I was already at about 800 when that was in July. I was already at 800, but between July and now, I've been able to get 1,000, and this was one of the things I used. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch to this point, I'm trusting that you got value. This playlist up here is going to help you get more subscribers if that is what you truly want. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. For now, bye.